Hey everyone, what's up? Want something sweet but don't have much time? I've got some super fast snacks you can make in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, we'll make a mug cake in the microwave. Get a mug and mix in 4 big spoons of flour, 4 big spoons of sugar, 2 big spoons of cocoa powder, and a tiny bit of salt. Add 1 egg, 3 big spoons of milk, 3 big spoons of oil, and a little vanilla. Mix it all up until it's smooth, then microwave it for about 90 seconds. Bam! You have a warm, gooey chocolate cake. Next, let's make no-bake granola bars. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, and some chocolate chips. Mix it all up really well. Put the mix in a baking dish and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut it into bars and you have a yummy energy snack. Lastly, let's make some fruit skewers. Get some skewers and your favorite fruits like strawberries, pineapple, grapes, and kiwi. Put the fruit on the skewers. It's a fun and healthy snack. That's all there is to it. 3 super fast and easy snacks for when you're in a hurry. If you like these recipes, click the like button and subscribe for more yummy ideas. Thanks for watching and enjoy your snacks. Nimsta dostan kya halkal hai, kuch mita kaanika min hai, likens maikayam hai, mir pas kuch ditpit binivala snakes hein jo apser 5 mint men banaskat hein, klai, shuru kurde hein. Subsifle, him mai krovev men mag kek nainge, ek magli gia ar usman 4 BDCMC maida, 4 body CMC chini, 2 BDCMC cocoa powder, ar ek kuch ki nemk dalen. Ab ismen ekenda, 3 BDCMC dud, 3 BDCMC tel, ar thoda sav nila isens dedalen, subako achise malalen, ar firi se microvev men liljibg 90 second ke lai arc den, bees, apka gramagram mulaim conclet kek tayar haisa chidab binabek ki granola bar bnate hain, ekkatori men 1 k piots, adha k pint batter, kauthai kep shisht, ar kuch conclet sips dedalen, sepko achise malalen, is mission koek beking dish men dalker filaden, arisa fridge men 30 mint ki liarkden, is a barki a carmen katlen, ar liji apka svadist, ar energy se purpur snake tayar hai, and men, kuch taja ar fuldar bnade hain, fruit skivers, kuchluktadi ki skivers ar apni sindidapal, jese strawberry, ananas, angur, ar kiwi leligie, flanko skivers men piroden yi ekmjadar ar setman snake hai jokisi vis maikaya jaskata hai, bizitna hai. Teen jet bit ar asan snakes be apke pas maikam ho, agar apko ye recipes and I ho to like bitten de bana ar giada svadisid recipe ki li subscribe kernana bulan, dekne ke li dinivad ar apna snakes ka andlen.